This 2027 Forest River Cherokee Sabre 36 FLX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.